Hello everybody. In this video I will be doing an impression of Emperor Tachyon from Ratchet and Clank Tools of Destruction. Hope you all enjoyed. Here we go.
Behold, the lost Lombax in the universe! Truly a pathetic specimen of the race, I'm afraid. So weak. Emperor Percival Tachyon, Crown Prince of the Cragmites, conqueror of space and time, and pending the obliteration of a few insubordinate species, ruler of the universe. Emperor! See the crown, see the scepter, see the giant walking throne and legion of loyal robotic commandos. Emperor! Not that a treacherous furball like you could. What's this? Such a primitive robot companion. And your kind used to be such renowned engineers. My gripe is not with the people of this archaic planet, but with you. Surrender your deathbot and simply allow us to kill you. No one else need be harmed.
Get to the next set of lines. I'm sorry about the long pause. I'm so many lines trying to find them all in big. When I read off a script out and begin the character. Okay, here we go.
Attention, citizens! This is your humble dictator. The Imperial Defense Force is searching for a fugitive Lombax guilty of countless violations against this empire, including theft of an Imperial cruiser. Destroy him before he defiles any more of this great city. Attention, Dropids! I am sending in more ships to help stomp out the Lombax threat. Try not to let him blow them up. I'm not made of boats, you know. Attention, citizens of Stratus City! To aid in the reconstruction of the Force-Lunan Tower, we have brought in a team of migrant Kerchu workers. For your own protection, please stay clear of these creatures, as they are violent and ill-tempered. They also smell like blood dung. Attention, troopers! The ragged Lombax must not desecrate the sanctity of the Imperial Fight Festival. I have full confidence that you will snare this assassin, as I am confident that those who fail me will endure horrible torture. Attention, troopers! I would like to share with you a haiku I wrote last night. The Lombax shall die a fiery, awful death. Cupcakes are yummy. doing great. Quit messing around and get over here. I have boils that require lancing. Greetings, inferior beings of Polaris. Does your life lack a sense of purpose? Do you constantly worry about finding steady income? Do you like killing stuff? Then join the Imperial Army and aid me in my humble quest for galactic domination. Here you'll travel to new places, meet interesting people, and execute them in the name of me. Why, yes I did, celebrity hero Captain Quark. It's simple. Somewhere in this galaxy is the filthy Lombax secret, responsible for the Kragmite defeat. As an official Tachyon trooper, your job will be to rouse every planet until it is found. Leave no stone unturned, no rebel spared. Exterminate anyone who stands in your way. All for a tiny salary and competitive benefit package. Indeed. Take the non-decked asteroid ring, for example. Our spies have learned that the secret may be hidden here on this remote moon base. If you sign up by tonight, you can join in on the raid. Welcome to Emperor Tachyon's Trail of Turning Terror. To enter, you must find all 6 Imperial statues. You may not pass until you celebrate my glory with 6 Imperial statues. So, that was 2 number 6s, a large curly fry, 1 jumbo mega pop, and a gross little stick. You do not have enough statues, trooper. Your existence is a festering blight on the face of this great empire. Glorious! Splendid! Those are some handsome statues, aren't they? Come on in, trooper, and welcome to Emperor Tachyon's Trail of Turning Terror! Mine the superfluous spinning blades of doom. They're superfluous because we figured out the appropriate amount of spinning blades and intentionally added more.
Trying to get to the next line. Before I find them, I'd like to know in the comments, who's your favorite Ratchet and Clank villain? I'm so sorry, guys. It's taking a little bit. Here we go, finally.
Attention, troopers! Join me in congratulating our newest recruit, Private Quark of the Solana Galaxy. Private Quark has completed his training in eating the required amount of mucus-filled grass slugs necessary for induction. His expertise should prove most useful in the renegade Lombax capture. Attention, drop-ins! The Lombax menace must not reach the secret. It is imperative that he be stopped before he ruins everything. Deploy scavenger teams to the furthest reaches of this miserable planet. Arrest any citizens unwilling to cooperate. I want the Lombax you had found and delivered to me by lunch!
Sorry guys, another long wait. Lucky you can just skip ahead, try to find it. You don't have to watch the whole thing. I'm really sorry. Here we go, finally, I'm sorry.
Welcome to the Doom, Lombax. How nice of you to turn yourself in. You'll be pleased to hear that I already prepared a room for you. You're a persistent little furball, but your willingness to save Miss Apogee only proves how unworthy you are of your race's legacy. You do not deserve the Dimensionator, Lombax!
Sorry guys. I know. Here we go.
How fitting! The Prince of the Cragmites and the son of the Lombaxes, on the very ground our ancestors last fought. How do you like my planet, Lombax? It's been dormant for years thanks to your kind. Silence, you half-wit! I will deal with your deceitfulness later. I have waited years for this moment. Finally, the time has come for the Cragmites to rise again. To rise again! To rise again! The horrors committed by your race during the Great War shall finally be reversed. Dimensionator, find the Cragmites! great Meridian City. Welcome, the true rulers of the Polaris Galaxy. Welcome, the return of the Cragmites. All insurgents are to be exiled to a 4-star penal colony in the Vartan Nebula. Please notify your Cragmite handler if you require a vegan or kosher meal. In order to keep our casualty rate low, we ask that you remain in your homes during this period of transition. Failure to do so will result in not living. Too long have I stood idly by while this city lasted in the face of my great empire. Too long have I allowed you to stand free while the rest of the galaxy bowed to my rule. Today, the Cragmites return to claim what is rightfully theirs, and I, their humble and heroic leader, shall stomp out the remains of the resistance. Welcome home, my furry friend. The last time I saw Lombaxes on Festoon, they were running with their tails between their legs. Those filthy creatures had the gall to pity me. I spent years building an army large enough to lay waste to this infernal planet. If its answers you seek, meet me in the court of Azimuth. Oh, son of a... Hold on. Okay, here we go. All this trouble over a race that was nothing to do with you. Why do you fight for them, dear boy? Those creatures didn't even have the scruples to give you a name. Is it this planet you fight for? This decrepit old city? Vacant buildings filled with nothing but dust and the failures of your forefathers? You can have it all, Lombax. Just say please. Soon, I will put my entire family through the portal. The universe will once again crawl with Cragmites until every corner of its existence is under our control. There's nothing that you can stop me, dear boy, and I owe it all to you. Oh, you should have seen the looks on our faces, Lombax. When poor little Percival rose gloriously with his army, the droplets raining down upon Festoon with weapons designed by their own scientists. I was no longer their charity case. I was Emperor Tachyon, the hero, the liberator, the savior of the Cragmites. With the city decimated by my enforcers, your race took refuge behind these walls. They believed if they left this dimension, I would leave Polaris unscathed. Is that so? Dimensionator, find the Lombaxes! Cowards, all of them! Only 2 stayed behind, the keeper of the Dimensionator and his infant son. I took great pleasure in destroying your father, Lombax. Pity he did not send you to Solana before we could meet. I offer you this one chance. Go home, join your race, or stay and suffer. Typical Lombax, so noble, so courageous, and so very dead. Ah! I wasn't ready, you contemptible miscreant! Cursed Lombax! I just had the thing detailed. Ah! My eyes were closed! Despicable! Detestable! Degenerate vermin! How clever! How ingenious! Are you sure you're a Lombax? Marvelous! Splendid! Cry not for your father, Lombax. You'll be reunited with him soon enough. How I've waited for this day. Pinch me, and tell me I'm not dreaming. Is that it? Is that the best you can do? No wonder your race banished themselves from this universe. Great! Now this infernal song will be stuck in my head all day. Don't go anywhere. I intend to kill you just as soon as this song is over. What's this? No! Work, you infernal machine! Ah! No! What have you done? You ruined everything! Ah! You can't kill me, Lombax. Only I know your true purpose in this galaxy. Only I know your true name. The crack might return is inevitable. Your kind will never be safe. Do you hear me? Never!
Well, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you soon. In the words of Dimitri, peace out!